This video we are going to discuss about the topic mole fraction. Let us see what is mole fraction. Mole fraction is denoted by capital X, and mole fraction is equal to the number of moles of a component by total number of moles of all the components present in the solution. In simple words, you can say that mole fraction is the fraction of a component present in the solution. That's it. For example, in a binary mixture of A and B component, that is, we know that binary mixture means a mixture of two components. Here those two components are A and B, and the number of moles of A and B are Na and Nb respectively. For this solution, if we are interested in calculating the mole fraction of A component, we can say that Xa is equal to N of A by N of A plus N of B. As we know that number of moles of a component, here the number of moles of A component we have taken, total number of moles of all the components in the solution, that is, here we have two components, that is A component and B component. So we are going to take N of A plus N of B, that is the sum of the number of moles of all the components in the solution. Or else, if we are interested in calculating the mole fraction of a B component, then we are going to say that mole fraction of B, that is Xb, is equal to N of B by N of A plus N of B. As you know, here in the denominator side we are going to take the sum of number of moles of all the component, and in the numerator side we are going to take the number of moles of that component for which we are calculating the mole fraction. Here, as we are calculating the mole fraction of A, we have taken N of A in the numerator side, and here, as we are interested in calculating the mole fraction of B, we are going to take N of B on the numerator side. Remember, on the numerator side we are going to take the number of moles of that component for which we are calculating the mole fraction, and in the denominator side we are going to take the total number of moles of all the components present in the solution. Here N of A is number of moles of A and N of B is number of moles of B. And remember that sum of the mole fraction of all the components present in the solution will be equal to 1. That is, here Xa plus Xb is equal to 1. Why? Because it is a mole fraction, and mole fraction of all the components in the solution will always be equal to 1. Here in the solution we have A and B components, so mole fraction of A component and mole fraction of B component, if we add these two, it will be equal to 1. By this we can derive two more formulas, that is, if we know the mole fraction of A component, we can calculate the mole fraction of B component by using the formula Xb is equal to 1 minus Xa, that is, mole fraction of B component is equal to 1 minus mole fraction of A component. Or else, if we know the mole fraction of B component, we can calculate the mole fraction of A component by using the formula Xa is equal to 1 minus Xb. By this formula we can calculate the mole fraction of A component. Here remember that number of moles of a component is equal to weight of the component by molar mass of that component. For example, N of A is equal to Wa by Ma, or else Wa by gram molecular weight of A. Let us see a problem related to mole fraction. Here on the board the question is given, that is, calculate the mole fraction of H2SO4 in a solution containing 98% H2SO4 by mass. Here in the question he has given you 98% H2SO4 by mass. 98% H2SO4 means 98 grams of H2SO4 in 2 grams of water present in the solution. Here we have two components. The first component is H2SO4 and the second component in the solution is water. H2SO4 is 98 grams, whereas water is 2 grams. Let us solve this. We know the formula. The number of moles of H2SO4 can be found out by using the formula weight of H2SO4 by molar mass of H2SO4. Here weight of H2SO4 is 98 and molar mass is 98, so the number of moles of H2SO4 is 1. And on the other side, number of moles of H2O is equal to weight of H2O by molar mass of H2O. In the question he has given you the weight of water 2 grams and molar mass of water, as you know, it is 18, which on solving we are going to get 1 by 9, which is the number of moles of water. Once we know the number of moles of water and number of moles of sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, we can use the formula mole fraction of H2SO4 is equal to number of moles of H2SO4 by total number of moles of all the components in the solution. On substituting the values in this formula, we are going to get 1 by 1 plus 1 by 9, which on simplification we are going to get 9 by 10, whose value is equal to 0.9, which is the mole fraction of H2SO4. And as we know the mole fraction of H2SO4, it is easy to calculate the mole fraction of water, that is the second component present in the solution. We can use the formula X of H2SO4 plus X of H2O is equal to 1. As we know, the mole fraction of all the components in the solution is equal to 1. From this we can get the formula mole fraction of H2O is equal to 1 minus mole fraction of H2SO4. On substituting the value of mole fraction of sulfuric acid in this equation, we are going to get 1 minus 0.9, which is equal to 0.1, which is the mole fraction of H2O present in the solution. Here in the question he has given you 98% H2SO4 by mass, which means 98 grams of H2SO4 and 2 grams of water in the solution. On solving all this, we are going to get mole fraction of H2SO4 as 0.9 and mole fraction of water is 0.1. In this way, we are going to find out the mole fraction of the component present in the solution. Remember, if in the question he has given you the weight and you know the molar mass, you are going to substitute in the formula mole fraction of a component is equal to number of moles of a component by total number of moles of all the components present in the solution.